Hi there, welcome to Sandy's Chinese class. Today, let's talk about bathroom. 请问洗手间在哪儿？请问洗手间在哪儿？ Translation word by word. Excuse me, bathroom is where? So, excuse me, where is the bathroom? 请问洗手间在哪儿？ Okay, let's take a closer look word by word. The first word, 请问,请问. 请 means please, and 问 means ask. So one way to remember this is, please, can I ask, where is the bathroom? So the corresponding phrase in English is, excuse me. But obviously this is not the same excuse me that we use when we want to get off a crowded bus or a subway. It's going to be a totally different phrase of excuse me in Chinese. For this one, 请问, you can use this before asking a question, especially when you want to be polite. 请问, 请问. I have here another example for 请. 坐. 坐 means sit down. So 请坐 is please sit down. 请坐, 请坐. And 请问, 请问. Next word, 洗手间,洗手间. 洗 means wash, 手 is hand, and 间 is a room. A room, you wash your hands after you did your business. So it's a bathroom. 洗手间,洗手间. And first, for this word, 洗 and 手, they both have a third tone. So for the first character, it's to be changed into a second tone here. So it's 洗手间, 洗手间. And I have here some more examples. For this one, 洗手液, 洗 is wash, 手 is hand, and 液 is liquid. So a liquid you use when you're washing your hands, it's hand soap. 洗手液. And 洗衣机, which we've mentioned before, 洗 is also wash, 衣 is clothes, and 机 is machine. A machine that washes clothes, it's a washing machine. And based on these two words, you can probably get the meaning of this word already. 洗, wash, 衣, clothes, and 液, liquid. So a liquid you use when you're washing the clothes, it's laundry detergent. So in English, it's bathroom, hand soap, washing machine, and detergent. They're very different in English, but in Chinese, the words are sort of kind of related to each other. In a way, Chinese is very different from English, and it's actually easier to learn these words in Chinese, isn't it? And you don't have to memorize these words like by heart. As long as you understand the meaning of each individual character, it's very easy for you to get the meaning of the word. Okay? 洗手间, 洗手液, 洗衣机, 洗衣液. The next word, 在, 在. It's a preposition. It can be loosely translated as at. 在, 在. And normally it is followed by some place, some time, or some date. And in this example here, it is followed by some place. 在, 在. The last word, 哪儿, 哪儿, or 哪里, 哪里. they're essentially the same. The meaning is the same. It's where, 哪儿,哪里. So in English, we say where is the bathroom, but in Chinese, we say the bathroom is where. So where or where. And for this character, it's a very special case here that for these two characters, they have only one pinyin. They're combined together when we're pronouncing them. So it's 哪儿, 哪儿. And for this character itself, the pronunciation is 哪, 哪, 哪里, 哪里. So 哪儿 and 哪里, the meaning is essentially the same. 哪儿, 哪里. One way to answer this question, where's the bathroom, is 洗手间在这儿 or 洗手间在这里. Bathroom is here. You can see that for 这儿 and 这里, it's quite the similar situation as 哪儿 and 哪里. For 这儿, the two characters has one pinyin here. Or we want to say that 洗手间在那儿, the bathroom is there. 洗手间在那儿 or 洗手间在那里. And 那儿 is also the same case. Two characters, one pinyin. 那儿, 那里. And you can see that for 那儿, it looks very similar to 哪儿, and the pronunciation is also very similar. The only difference is the tone, but they have very different meanings. 哪儿 and 哪里 is where. 这儿, 这里 is here, and 那儿, 那里 is there. 洗手间在这儿, 洗手间在这里, 洗手间在那儿, 洗手间在那里. Sum up for today. 请问洗手间在哪儿？请问洗手间在哪里？The sentence is quite short and easy, but I think it's quite commonly used. Hope you enjoyed the class today, and I'll see you next time.